Welcome to this guide on trail running from the Obersee up to the Rauti Alp and back. This is an incredible journey that takes you through some of the most beautiful and challenging terrain in the Swiss Alps. But before we start, here are a few details about the route and how to get to the starting point. To get to the starting point of this trail, you will need to either drive or take a taxi. The nearest railway station is in Nevels, which is about a 20-minute drive from the starting point. The trail is 13.58 kilometers long and has a total ascent of 718 meters and a total descent of 707 meters. The best season to run on this route is between June and October. Are you ready for the adventure? Get ready to explore wide meadows surrounded by massive mountains and a remote village on this tour. But that's not all. After we pass the most remote point of this tour, we'll also be passing the Rauti Alp, a high alpine restaurant with a breathtaking view, followed by tackling challenging downhills on technical terrain. Trust me, you don't want to miss a moment of this journey, so make sure to watch until the end and join me in this adventure. Let's get started. We are about to arrive at the village. Isn't it beautiful? In this type of village, most of the properties are either vacation homes or those of local farmers. Let me know in the comments if you would like to live here. In the next section of the route, it starts to go uphill all the way to the turning point where we will reach the most remote point of the tour. Let's continue our journey. See you there. Here we are, at the furthest point. The bridge you see here marks the turning point of the route. If we take a look at the map, we'll see that we're right here now. In the next section, we'll continue our journey to the Rauti Alp. Up there, we'll have an incredible view of all the mountains around. See you at the top. We have just reached the highest point of the tour. The Rauti Alp is located at an altitude of 1646 meters above sea level. From now on, there will only be downhills and more technical terrain than you saw in this video. I personally love doing downhills in the last part of my tours because I think they are really fun to do. But what's more important now is to first enjoy this incredible view. We are about to reach the finish point where we started our tour. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope that this video has given you all the information you need to be able to run this trail too. You can check the video description for all the important information about the tour. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to be updated with other trail running tour videos. Remember to always be prepared and respect the trail and the environment. Have fun on this tour.